guys, October 4th, 2024. Today we're going to call from an older guy I worked for before in the past, and got an issue with one of his toilets. I've worked on some of his toilets before, but he's saying this one's not filling with any water. So sometimes what happens is the shutoff rubber in the shutoff starts deteriorating, and them little pieces float up, you know, and get inside the valve and blocks the valve off. So usually if I go over there and shut the water off, shut the valve off, and it don't hold, well then I gotta take it apart and
at the end of the street, turn right.
Pull them pieces out, put a new washer in there, and probably a new fill valve, maybe a new riser, or a supply. But we'll get it figured out. I worked for this guy before. He's on his CPAP thing, and he had all kinds of problems. I went over there and
turn right at the stop sign.
Told him what to do and how to adjust his machine. He didn't have a flipping clue. Old guy, depending on these flipping doctors, and you know, get an appointment in 3 months, and then they don't even set the machine up right for you.
Turn right on Woodknock Road.
I'll straighten this sorry ass out quick. Anyway, I'll get you some shots when I get over there. So you're saying it's not filling?
Yep. Flush it and see.
Well, yeah, she's empty. She's empty. Alright, let me see what's going on with it here. See if I could, before we do anything here. Maybe I can take this apart. I'm getting old.
Yeah, aren't we all?
I'm getting to be an old buzzard. Yeah, 80's not bad. 80's not bad. I don't know. It doesn't seem like there's anything. Let's see if there's any water coming out of this sucker.
Dry as the bone.
Well, let's see. Well, we got water coming out of that pot, and that's working, so it must be the fill valve. You tried taking it apart and looking in there?
Nope, that's not my job anymore. That's yours.
Alright, let me put this back together, because we know we're getting water up to this point. Then we'll take it apart upstairs there and give it a douche. Sometimes you need a little douche, you know? A little douche will do you. Let's try that. Cleaning. You never felt better?
Nope.
Wow, wasn't that amazing, huh? Crazy.
Went from 235 to 175, and went from a 44 to a 38 waist.
Wow. 44.
Yep.
You're quite the little pork chop there, huh?
Yep. And I eat anything and everything I want.
Now?
Yep.
I don't know. I mean, if I can't fix this thing, we'll just put a new one in it. How's that sound? You know,
Sounds good to me.
I'm gonna try, but you know, sometimes.
Want me to shut the water off?
No, I don't. I got it off right here, so.
Oh. It ain't the shut-off valve?
Nope. It ain't that. There's probably a little piece of gasket in here, most likely. Let's see if we can give it a little douche. Gonna kind of give it a little. give it a little douche. If that gets that, flushes that out. And this thing looks okay still.
So how you been?
Sometimes this gets full of water, you know, and I've been okay. Living the dream.
Business been good?
Yeah, I'm, you know. Busy as I want to be. How's that sound?
That's good.
Yeah, I just probably had a little bit of shit in there, you know. Sometimes you need a little cleaning out. Like I put this sucker on dialysis there for, you know. We'll hook this sucker up to the dialysis machine and she'll be good to go. So I did. You know, plugged her into the dialysis and she's fine. I took it apart and flushed it. It just must have had a little piece of something in there and
Good now?
it's working, it's filling. Well, am I better off just selling your parts? Better off to try to fix it for you, right?
Yeah.
Saving your money. More money for your wife to spend. Look at that shit, huh?
Sounds good.
I'm shining like the morning star. Nope. She stopped again.
See?
Yeah, we'll put a new one in. Look at that shit. So, we're gonna put a brand new one in, okay?
Go shut the water off?
No. We probably should shut it off and I'll check the gasket at the same time.
Alright, I'll go shut the water off.
While I'm doing it, let's do it right.
I'll go shut the water off.
Yeah. We'll shut the water off, I'll change the gasket, and I'll put a new fill valve in it. All right. See if we got the water off. Oh, water's still on. I got a new fill valve, a new gasket for the shut off, and a new supply. Now it's filling. Before it wasn't filling. That's weird. He's got the water off now. While I'm here, I'm just gonna put new parts in it. While I'm here. And I can see rubber gaskets coming out of the thing. Black rubber gaskets floating around. There's a leaker. She's a leaker. Let's get the water off. I'm gonna take it apart. Take it apart and put a new gasket. If it comes off. Well, I got new valves on the truck. This is an issue. Let's see. It's still okay, I guess. That's not the problem. That's not the problem. It's in the shell. It's in the fill valve. This junk. Gasket. Gasket's still good. That's still good. We'll play around with that. That's still fine. Look for problems. You're gonna find it. You hear that saying? You got the truth. Alright, we'll do this. We'll place the fill valve. I'm putting pressure down so it's not going to leak until I put my bucket under it. And I pull this up, so water should go in the bucket. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. Don't see nothing in there now. I'll put a new one. I should be able to adjust it down what I want. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Now we gotta put new parts in it. So it is crazy. Sometimes you gotta just let the baby out with the bathwater.
So the shut-off valve is gone.
No, it was all right, but while I was here, I wanted to check it.
Yeah.
No, it was the fill valve with the issue. How come you didn't try fixing this yourself?
I don't do that anymore.
Them days are over?
Yep.
I got a customer that does that shit, and then every time I call him back, he's got it fixed, right? You know, then after 3-4 times, this guy keeps calling me. I don't call him back, because every time I call him back, he's got it fixed already. You know, he's one of these guys, he cries wolf all the time, you know? You hear me?
Yep.
I was supposed to do a water heater for him, but then he found someone else to do it cheaper, so that was one job. And then a couple other times after that, he had other issues. By the time I call him back, he's got it fixed. So it's like, well, I'm not even going to waste my time calling this clown anymore.
If it's electrical, I'll do it. Plumbing,
Well, anyway, that's the story with that guy. He's calling me again. Want me to waste my flipping time calling him back a second time, a third time, a fourth time? No way. Not doing it. Call someone else. Got a shitty attitude, but at least I'm happy. Right?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, you want to go turn the water back on? Go ahead.
I just...
Oh, what the hell is this fucker? Okay. We get the water on, I could do my thing. Guy's on a slow boat to China, I think. He's a slow boat to China. I'm a slow boat to China. Alright. Here we go. Got water now. Oh yeah, she's feeling good now. She's feeling good now, well. Yeah, sometimes there's shit in here. Who the hell knows? We can make an adjustment here if we have to. Should be down like 3/4 of an inch down from the overflow. It's about what we want. This is a high usage, high water usage toilet. $74. October 28. That's a 1974. Maybe. American Standard handle. There we go. We're down 3/4. That should be it right there. The old Sunday morning green. That's what happens when you puke in a Sunday morning. Looks green like that.
That toilet's over 50 years old.
Yeah, I think so. It's 50 years old.
Yep.
Yeah, right there. 74. 74 would be 50 years. We were right. 50 years.
Yeah.
That's what it says. 74. Right.
That's when the house was built.
All right. I don't see any leaks, so we're good. We don't want any leakers. No leaks.
Sleep study the 15th.
Are you going for another one?